Title: Learning Neither Nor with Fun and Examples. Hello students, today we will learn about the conjunction neither nor. It's used to deny two options in a sentence. Are you ready? For example, sentence: Neither the cat nor the dog likes water. Here we are saying that both the cat and the dog dislike water. Neither introduces of the first option and nor connects the second. Sentence: She likes neither tea nor coffee. This means she doesn't like tea or coffee. Both options are denied. Example sentence: Neither John nor Mary attended the party. We are saying that both John and Mary were absent from the party. Sentence: Neither the teacher nor the students understood the question. Here we are denying understanding for both the teacher and the students. Sentence: Neither the train nor the bus is on time. This means both the train and the bus are late. Another sentence: You can have neither ice cream nor cake for dinner. We are denying both ice cream and cake as dinner options. Another example sentence: Neither my brother nor my sister knows how to swim. This tells us that neither the brother nor the sister can swim. Example sentence: Neither the sun nor the moon was visible during the eclipse. Both the sun and the moon are not visible during an eclipse. Example sentence: The recipe needs neither salt nor sugar. This means the recipe doesn't require salt or sugar. Now you know how to use neither nor to deny two options. Keep practicing and we'll master it in no time. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.